2, 3, let's switch this up.
Good morning. I literally just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, I think. For today's video, I wanted to do kind of like a vlog, like a fitness vlog where you come to the gym with me. I show you today's workout and I show you also what I eat in a day. I just went grocery shopping yesterday, so I've been trying to cook myself and cook at home because all week I've literally been buying food and going out to eat, so that's not okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat and what I cook on the regular for myself, just so I can get in the habit of cooking for myself. So really this is for me, less than for you. But I'm so tired. I'm literally just staring outside my window. I love doing that in the morning. Look at the views. Oh wait, you can't even see. Yeah, it's so cute, right? This is what I'd normally look at, but like, I love looking outside in the morning. I feel like I don't know how I feel like, but I love it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so, y'all are really gonna have to ignore my hair because I am not doing it right now. So in the morning, I normally have a bagel with egg, cheese, and avocado. That's like my go-to favorite thing. And if you guys want like a healthy bread, bagel brand, Dave's Killer Bread. It's so good. This one has 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of whole grains. It's just really good for you. And they have like different kinds. That's like my bagel, and then for like my bread, I get white bread because I'm scared of eating grains, like actual full-on grains. So I pussy out and I get white bread, but it's still healthier than regular white bread, so I feel good about it. Anyways, let's make this bagel. I only use this hook spatula thing, ready? Makes you feel like I'm like the hangings, the hash slinging slasher. That's how I feel like with this. But I literally, this is the only thing I will ever use to do my eggs. I love this thing. I don't know. It just flips it so perfectly. Perfect curved edge to reel them in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just folding them. Because you can't have like messily scrambled eggs on a bagel. You gotta do it right. So here is how we're doing this. First is butter. Just a little bit, you know, get a little moist or whatever. Now, avocado. This is guac. Mild. Walmart did not have avocados. I could not find avocados at the store yesterday. So I got guac instead. Does it taste the same? No. But does it its purpose? Yes. So we add it. So now we add more cheese because we want it to melt with the egg. And then obviously you have to put more cheese on top of that. Yeah. And then I like to put ketchup on the other side. So on this side, so I can just put it on nice and easy. And boom. Like, so good. It's so good. We always have to cut it though. We're not done. We're not done yet, ladies. Yeah. Normally with like all my breakfast every day I have this little pineapple juice that I love to drink. So good, you know. Got your pussy feeling right. I also have my coffee that I drink every morning. It's just this thing with Delight, International Delight iced coffee. I literally just and that's it. Like, it's so easy and it tastes good. So I don't have to buy it every morning. So that's what I drink for breakfast. Normally I would eat downstairs and like watch a video or something while I'm eating, but today I want to get some work done. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm gonna get some work done before I go to the gym. So I'm gonna eat and do shit at the same time. I want to take a bite for you guys. This dinner's smacking. Yep, so good. So good. I just left the gym. I tried to record as much as I could, but they kept giving tours while I was there, so I got a little nervous, I got a little shy, so I didn't record my full workout. But today I did triceps and back exercises, so got a good little, I spent like an hour there. I try to spend an hour usually every day, but yeah. So now that's done. Now we're gonna go home, drink my protein shake, and eat a little snack. And I'll show you what I am gonna eat later. I deadass thought I just saw a fucking chicken in my backyard. It's just a plastic bag. I thought it was a chicken. So this is the protein shake that I drink after every workout. Premier Protein. To munch for some munchies. We're gonna be making a chocolate peanut butter like smoothie type bowl type of thing. I honestly never made it before, but I've always wanted to, and I have all the ingredients. I just got sex. I've always wanted to try it, and I have the ingredients. I just never did it, so I figured today would be the perfect day to show you guys. So let's go. So you're gonna need some ice. And the recipe online says frozen banana, but I was not aware that you needed a banana to be frozen, so I stuck it in the freezer like 5 minutes ago, and this is the best we got right now, so we're gonna use this. It's not frozen at all, it's just mediocrely cold, but it'll do, it's fine. So that's there, that's done, bada bang, bada boom. Some non-dairy milk specifically. I don't know any proportions. Like, I'm literally just pouring a dollop of peanut butter. Maybe more than dollop, a couple dollops. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way up, way up, way up, way up. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Baseball bat. Some cacao powder, cocoa powder, cacao powder, however you want to say it. Again, no idea how much I'm putting in here. Where's the lid? The lid. Where's the lid? Got it. Sorry, Kate, if you're still sleeping. This is actually like a lot. But like, I mean, you can still very much drink this.
So it's definitely not as thick as I should have made it. But we're not done yet, ladies. We're gonna add top. Oh yeah, it's really not as thick. That thing is sinking. That bitch is sinking. Look at them. Oh my god. It's like the Titanic. Adding shit ton of, that looks horrible. Like actually fucking horrible. Like they're gone. Where are the bananas? Because I lost them, bitch. Like, does that look good? Does that look like you want to eat that? Not to me, it doesn't. Really liquidy. Like, I definitely fucked up something. Some part of the ratio. But, let's try it. It's, bitter. Maybe I put too much cocoa powder. I think that's what it is, honestly. I feel like I'm eating cereal. This was a fail. This was a fail, for sure. Maybe it's the granola. I don't think I like the granola that I put on it. This is what it has come to. Why I literally just almost throw up right now. I need to eat something else. I cannot do that. That was a complete fail. That was disgusting. That was fucking disgusting. So now I'm eating chicken egg rolls. I don't know what fucking brand these are. Lidl, the grocery store. And some Uncle Ben's quick rice because chicken and rice, never a bad combo. You know what I mean? Like, it's still kind of healthy. Like, I will be giving those granola oats away. And they're not staying in this house. Ding! Let's go! Spring roll! Chicken spring roll and rice. This is about to be so much better. I can already tell. Let's fuck this shit up. Now that I ate my little lunch for now, I'm probably gonna eat again, but I'm gonna finish my shake and clean my room. But I wanted to show you guys my little fitness calendar workout schedule thing. Since I got a new planner, I decided to turn this whiteboard into like a fitness goal tracker, you know, to keep myself accountable. So it's Friday, so I did try some back as I said, but like I dedicated each day to like a different part of my body. I dedicated each day to a different part of my body, and then I try to do like weight goals. So yeah, and then I have my little gym goals here, and then a little quote, and then some just overall goals. So that's that. I got that idea from Jasmine the Great. Jasmine and Daisy are my favorite like fitness influencers. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that, but I'm gonna clean my room now. Update, I'm now eating Goldfish flavor blast. Y'all know it's the best flavor. Let's see. You know how it was sophomore year. And I'm also watching Too Hot to Handle, catching up on my episodes. But yeah, I was just doing work and now I'm taking a break, eating some chippies, and then I'm probably gonna go make dinner. I'm feeling pasta. I'll let you know what I decide. My hair has literally been a mess all day. Don't talk about it, but it's dinner time. Pasta. Woo, child. We are making Alfredo pasta with chicken. And I know y'all know how to make pasta, so I'm not even gonna get into it. Also, sorry the air is hella loud. Like, she likes to scream a little bit. She just likes it loud. What can I say? This chicken. Pretty bombs. Pre-seasoned and everything. Somebody wanna help me out? So I'm putting these in the toaster oven. Let's say for about 4:15. I just automatically assume everything is for 450 degrees for 10-15 minutes. If it's not cooked by then, girly, the food is wrong. Anyways, stir my pasta. We might run into some problems. This chicken says it's expired. Says it's expired. Then it says fresh for 5 days after opening. I opened it well over 5 days ago, but it's been frozen, not refrigerated. So I feel like as though I should be okay, right? I've been told all my life that if chicken is frozen or if any meat is frozen, it's good for 6 months. Is that right? I'm gonna eat it. So, okay, let's check out my pasta now. Oh, she's looking done. She's looking a little done. Look at you. It's kind of hot. It's kind of hot. All right. Don't come for how many dishes are in here, okay? Bitches are busy, so. I like my pastas to be very creamy, very saucy, you know? And that sauce lacks a lot of flavor, so we gotta spice it up a bit. Yup. Let's plate this shit. Let's plate this shit. Quick little 10-minute dinner. That's all I need. Now I'm gonna go back to my room and finish watching Too Hot to Handle. I forgot what it was called for a second. Also, sorry I'm not like thinking of insanely cool, fun, healthy recipes, but like this shit is hard, okay? And I honestly lost all hope for trying new things after that smoothie bowl. Like, that was it. That really killed my vibe. But, you know, chicken Alfredo was just old reliable, you know? Like, I'm always gonna enjoy her. You can't fuck up chicken Alfredo. So, like, she's a safe bet. Takes 10 minutes? Like, girl, sign me up, sign me up. And, you know, like, when you're in college, all you need is fast dinners that make you full. We love carbs. That's it. We just love carbs.